Hi everyone, in this video I am going to teach you the basic concept of the new topic logarithm. Here we are going to discuss about the topic logarithm. Let me write the topic name first. Logarithm. The logarithm is related, it is inverse forces of the exponents or indices. Let me introduce, let me do the short recap on the exponents. Here the 2, let me add number 2 to the power 3. Here this means that the 2 is raised to the power 3. This means that number 2 is multiplied 3 times itself. This can be written as the number 2 is multiplied how many the times? 3 times itself. 2 times 2 times 2, and this gives the answer is a 8. Here in exponents, 2 to the power 3 gives here 8. In exponents, there are the three parts. This is the answer, part, and this is the base, and this number on the index is called as the index or exponents. There are basically three parts on the exponents. This is about the exponents, and the logarithm is the opposite forces of the exponents. Let write this opposite forces, and the logarithm is represented just by log, three letters, three front letter log. Logarithm of the answer is the it is the opposite forces. Logarithm of the answer, here the answer is 8. Logarithm of 8 with base 2. Here the base is 2 with base 2. Here we write in notation the opposite of the inverse forces of this exponents form, it is written in the opposite forces. The log to the base, it is read as log to the base 2 of 8. And the meaning of this notation is how many, the result is here how many, its meaning is how many 2 needed, how many 2 needed to multiply itself, how many these 2 needed to multiply itself to give, to produce the result 8. It is just opposite forces of the this form. Here the meaning of this log, log to the base 2 of 8 is how many 2 needed to multiply itself to give the number 8. And here the how many 2 needed, 1 2 3 needed. Here we got the how many 2 needed, 3 needed. 3 2 are needed to multiply itself to give the number 8. Or we can say that the power of the 2 is 3 to produce 8. And this here we got here the 2, a log to the base 2 of 8 is here calculated as a 3. And the meaning of basic meaning of this notation is what is the power of this 2, to produce 8, and the power of the 2 is 3 to produce 8. This is the answer. And here are also three parts on the logarithm. This part is the answer part, and this number in the base is called as the base part, it is the base. And this number is called as the argument. Here in the logarithm there are the three parts. One is base, and the others are argument and the answer part. The basic meaning is what is the power of 2, what is the power of 2 to make 8, and the power of the 2 is 3 to make 8. Power of the 2 is 3. This can be also written as, the power of the 2 is 3 to make this 8. It is the exponential form. It is the logarithm. It is the logarithm form, and this is the exponential form. So the logarithm and the exponential form are the inverse forces to each other. And the log with special bases. Here this is the base. Log with special bases. Here there are the two types of the special basis log. One is the natural logarithm. One is natural logarithm, and the next one is the common logarithm. Let's explain about the natural logarithm. The log with base e, the log with base e of any number. Here I suppose any number is a. The log with base e of any number called as the natural logarithm. Here the base is an Euler number. Here the e is Euler number. If the base of the logarithm is an Euler number, then that type of the logarithm called as the natural logarithm. And the Euler number is an irrational and transcendental number. Its closest value is it is nearly equals to 2.71 up to 2 decimal places. If the base of the logarithm is an Euler number, then the such type of the logarithm called as the natural logarithm, and it is represented, the natural logarithm represented by, it is also denoted by ln of a, just ln. If we write ln of a, then it is called as the natural logarithm of a, or it has the base, it has the hidden base, the Euler number ln of a. And the next way of writing this natural logarithm is just writing lowercase l log log of a. If we write lowercase l, then this representations also for the natural logarithm. There are the three ways for writing the natural logarithm. One way is uh, showing the base. Here the base is e, so this is the natural logarithm. Here the bases in these two format, the bases are hidden here, and in the hidden ln, the base is Euler number, and here the l is lowercase l, and here in this case the base of the logarithm is Euler number, so it is called as the natural logarithm. And the next type of the special logarithm is common logarithm. It is the logarithm, of any number with base 10. Log to the base 10 of a, it is the common logarithm. And the common logarithm can be also written as it is denoted with capital L log of a. If we write the capital L here, capital L uppercase L, then this notation represents, this is the common logarithm. It has the base 10. If the lowercase l is used, then it is the natural logarithm. These are the two special type of the logarithm, and they are categorized according to the base, special base. If the base is an Euler number, then such type of the logarithm called as the natural logarithm. If the base of the logarithm is 10, and the such type of the logarithm called as the common logarithm. The remember very important point, logarithm is the inverse process of the exponents. It is the inverse process of exponents. Here we discuss little bit about the basic concept of the logarithm. In our next video, we will discuss more about the properties and some properties related problems on the topic logarithm. Please uh, keep watching and keep loving this channel. This much for today. Thank you.